Guys, there is a new feature on Time Farm that is going to increase your earning, so make sure you watch to the end to get it all. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can stake your token or your mined coin on Time Farm. Time Farm now have a staking feature, so you can now stake your tokens. So if you're mining Time Farm on Telegram, what you have to do now is to go over there to stake your token to gain more rewards. And also guys, if you're not mining Time Farm on Telegram and you're yet to join, I don't want you to waste any time. Every second really counts. So guys, I want you to go over to the description of this video. You're going to see a link there, a referral link. Tap on the link so that you can start mining Time Farm on Telegram to gain your reward. And also launching is coming soon, and it will interest you to know that over 50 million users are actually mining Time Farm on Telegram. So guys, it's very cool. This is a big project that you don't want to miss. So guys, now let me continue to show you guys how you can actually stake your tokens or your mined coin. So guys, now the first step you have to take now in order to start staking your tokens is to tap on where you can see staking. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. You can see it on the right hand side. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see what's written here. Staking. Lock up a certain amount of digital assets for a specific period of time to earn rewards. So guys, now you can see it. What I have to do now is to tap on start staking. You can see down there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written here. Select the duration. The amount you stake will be locked until the term ends. So guys, now you can stake for 3 days, you can stake for 15 days, you can also stake for 14 days. If you choose 3 days period, you're going to get 3% of the amount that you staked. If you choose 15 days, you're going to get 10% of the amount that you staked. While if you choose 45 days, you're going to get 35% of the amount that you staked. So guys, now you can see the trend. The higher amount of days or period that you choose, the higher the profit you're going to make. So guys, now let me go ahead now to choose 45 days. I want 45 days. I want the highest amount of profit, which is at 5%. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see I've chosen 45 days. So let me go ahead now to tap on continue. You can see down there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there. Enter the amount. Select the amount of seconds that you want to stake. So guys, the name of this token is called seconds. So you have to choose the amount of seconds or token that you want to stake. So guys, you can see you can choose 25% of your seconds, you can choose 50%, 75%, or you can choose all of them, which is max. Or you can decide to type in the amount of second or token that you want to stake. So guys, now let me choose max. I want to choose the maximum amount of token or seconds that I've mined in this platform. So let me tap on max. You can see where the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on max right away. So guys, after that, what you have to do now is to tap on continue. So let me tap on continue. So guys, now you can see the next step, which is the confirmation step. You can see there confirm. So guys, you can see the information about your staking. You can see the amount you staked. You can see the duration, which is 45 days. You can see your percentage of profit, which is at 5%. You can also see your earnings, which is your profit, which is about 1.9 million coin. So guys, now you can see the amount I staked, which is about 5.4 million coin. Then my profit is about 1.9 million coin, which is actually a good profit. So guys, now what you have to do next now is to tap on stake. You can see stake down there. So let me go ahead and tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Wow guys, can see you've successfully started staking. So guys, now you can see there, you can see my staking there. So in 45 days now I should come back here to claim my reward. So guys, in case you want to stake another one, you can also do that. You can see where it is written stake. By tapping on stake, you'll be able to stake another token or seconds. So guys, now this is how it can be done. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can stake your tokens or your second on Time Farm. So guys, now this is how it can be done. So guys, see you in our next upload. Bye. Peace.